To link Binance to TradingView, you need to have a Binance account and a TradingView account. Start by logging into your Binance account and going to the API management section. Here, you will create a new API key by clicking on Create API. You will then be asked to create a label for your API key and set a password. After creating the API key, you will see the API key and secret key. Copy the API key and secret key, as you will need them to connect to TradingView. Now, log into your TradingView account and go to the Connections section. Here, you will see the option to connect your Binance account. Click on Binance and you will be asked to enter your API key and secret key. Enter the API key and secret key that you created in your Binance account and click on Connect. You will then be asked to authorize TradingView to access your Binance account. After authorizing, your Binance account will be connected to TradingView. You can now use TradingView to track your Binance account and make trades. You can also set up alerts and notifications to keep track of the markets and make informed trading decisions. It is important to keep your API key and secret key secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily link your Binance account to TradingView and start using the advanced trading tools and features that TradingView has to offer. Remember to always keep your account information secure and only use trusted sources to connect to your Binance account.